Introducing the latest AI video avatar technology, where you can put yourself in any scene with freedom of movement. And you can have up to 3 avatars in the same scene, having a conversation about anything. With HeyGen, all this is possible and more. Check this out.
Video is the most powerful way to get your message across. And with AI video generation tools like HeyGen, you can create cinematic videos in just a few minutes. Well, we've taken it to the next step. Avatar shots is the most powerful way to get your message across with up to 3 avatars in one scene.
And with AI video generation tools like HeyGen, you can create cinematic videos in just a few minutes. HeyGen has taken this to the next level.
Hello everyone, I'm absolutely thrilled to show you the latest and most exciting game changer from HeyGen. Seedance 2.0 is now fully integrated right into our video agent.
This means you can now generate cinematic shots with natural character motion, dynamic camera work, and environmental interaction, all through a simple chat.
Whether it's realistic lighting or subtle expressions, Seedance 2.0 elevates your videos to a whole new level of professional quality. Notice the detail? I can even interact with my surroundings, making the performance feel more grounded and engaging than ever before. This seamless integration empowers you to tell better stories faster than ever before. Experience the true power of cinematic AI in your projects today. The future of video is finally here for you to explore. Ready to create your own cinematic masterpiece with us? Let's get started with the new video agent today and bring your vision to life.
What are you waiting for? Click the link in my description to get started with HeyGen Today.